Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best German learning resources are probably one of the most sought-after tools for anyone embarking on the journey to master this fascinating language, offering a gateway to rich culture, historical depth, and exciting career opportunities across Europe and beyond. Whether you're a complete beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an intermediate learner looking to refine your fluency, the right learning platform can significantly accelerate your progress, making the often challenging process of acquiring German grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation feel more intuitive and achievable. Number 5. Rosetta Stone Learn French Bonus Pack Bundle. Embark on your French learning journey with this comprehensive bundle. It includes everything you need to get started, all in one convenient package. With Rosetta Stone's Unlimited Languages feature, you gain lifelong access to all 24+ languages. Switch between them freely without any extra subscription costs. Enhance your understanding with Baron's Grammar Guide. It covers essential tips on verb agreements and sentence structure to help you speak French correctly. Quickly find the meaning of important words with Baron's Dictionary. This trusted resource ensures you always have the right definition at your fingertips. Enjoy continuous learning with this lifetime product. As long as it's available, you'll have access. This subscription is for you and cannot be shared. What we like. This comprehensive package offers lifetime access to all languages, allowing you to switch freely. It also includes essential grammar and dictionary resources. If you're looking for a long-term, versatile language learning solution that covers more than just one language, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It comes with a French dictionary and grammar book. You can learn online or via the Rosetta Stone app. This language course makes it so easy to pick up the language. After a few weeks, I can carry on a conversation in French with French natives and they all understand what I'm saying. Was worth it. Taught me a lot of verbiage. You need about 8 weeks to really get it. I did it in 3 weeks and struggled to remember some sentence structures till I was feeling immersed for a few weeks in France. Number 4. German All-in-One For Dummies, with CD. Unlock the German language with this comprehensive guide. It's designed for beginners, making learning accessible and fun. This book provides everything you need to get started. From grammar to vocabulary, all essential elements are covered in one place. Enhance your learning experience with the included CD. Practice pronunciation and listening skills with interactive exercises. No prior knowledge of German is required. This guide breaks down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-digest lessons. Study whenever and wherever you want. This resource empowers you to learn German effectively on your own schedule. What we like. This option provides a complete learning experience in one package, complete with a CD for interactive learning. It's designed to be accessible for absolute beginners. If you prefer a structured, all-encompassing method with supplementary audio content, this is the one for you. What people say. The app offers a comprehensive curriculum covering grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Interactive exercises and quizzes help reinforce learning and track progress effectively. The speech recognition feature provides instant feedback on pronunciation, aiding in accurate speaking skills. Number 3. German Short Stories for Beginners Book 1. Embark on a journey to learn German with our beginner-friendly short stories. Designed for busy lives, you can learn anytime, anywhere. This book is packed with over 100 dialogues and essential phrases. Perfect for your commute. Turn your car rides into productive learning sessions. Expand your vocabulary while you drive. Learning a new language should be enjoyable. Our method makes it fun and helps you grow your vocabulary without feeling like a chore. This is your ideal starting point for learning German. Build a strong foundation with practical lessons designed for beginners. Discover new words and phrases in context. This book is designed to help you naturally expand your German vocabulary. What we like. Learn German through engaging short stories and practical daily phrases, perfect for learning on the go. This method focuses on building vocabulary in a fun, accessible way. If you enjoy learning through context and want to pick up useful phrases for everyday situations, especially during commutes, this is a great fit. What people say. First you can read the stories in German, then there's a quiz to test your understanding and a vocabulary of important words. And lastly you can read the stories in English, too, in order to double-check your understanding of the stories. I like that it had a small test after each story, a vocabulary list, then the same story in English. You could see how much you understood, or misunderstood. They do keep most of the book in present tense, which is helpful. Number 2. German short stories for beginners. Are you looking to learn German in an engaging and enjoyable manner? This collection offers a unique approach to language acquisition. Dive into 20 carefully crafted short stories designed to make your learning journey exciting. Each story is an opportunity to discover new words. Expand your German vocabulary naturally as you immerse yourself in these narratives. You'll find yourself picking up new words without even trying. This book is specifically designed for those starting their German language adventure. The stories are easy to follow and understand. Experience the ease of learning with these simple yet captivating tales. It's the perfect companion for your beginner's German studies. As you progress through the stories, you'll build confidence in your German reading and comprehension skills. Start your journey today. What we like. Discover German through 20 captivating short stories designed to make vocabulary acquisition enjoyable. This approach emphasizes a fun and engaging learning process. If you're a beginner who wants to expand your word bank effectively and prefers learning through entertaining narratives, this is an ideal resource. What people say. The app offers a wide range of exercises, from basic vocabulary to complex grammar. Interactive dialogues simulate real-life conversations, helping users practice speaking. Progress tracking allows learners to monitor their improvement and identify areas needing more attention. Number 1. German Grammar for Beginners Textbook plus Workbook. Unlock the essentials of German grammar with this comprehensive guide. Designed for beginners, it provides everything you need to start speaking confidently. This package includes both a textbook and a workbook, offering a complete learning experience. You'll find essential lessons and practical exercises to reinforce your understanding. Take your German language skills to the next level. This resource is designed to help you quickly grasp and apply grammatical concepts. Perfect for those new to the German language. It breaks down complex grammar into easy-to-understand modules. Dive into essential lessons covering key grammar points. Practice what you learn with a variety of targeted exercises. This is your ideal starting point for learning German. Build a strong foundation in grammar and gain the confidence to communicate. What we like. This resource dives deep into essential German grammar with a textbook and a practical workbook. It's designed to solidify your understanding of core language structures. If you're someone who thrives on understanding the rules of a language and wants hands-on practice to master grammar, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. This course is very comprehensive and covers all aspects of the German language, from grammar to vocabulary and pronunciation. The interactive exercises and quizzes help reinforce learning and track progress effectively. The platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making the learning experience enjoyable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.